Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina, and please forgive me y'all, I did not do the makeup or the hair or nothing today. I was supposed to groom a dog today, and it was a no-show. So I was like, well, I'm not going to waste the day, I might as well film. So yeah, I'm a mess, I look a mess, but that's okay. We're still here, and we're going to open some boxes, because you know we love those unboxings. Alright, so today I have one of my favorite boxes that I'm actually going to have to put on hold for a while because yes, Christmas is coming and I need to start saving some money so I can buy some presents because I love that giving. Oh my goodness, I love the givings. So I am going to put this box on hold, but I do love it. This is the Habitation box. It is a home decor box. It is curated by a interior design specialist, Kelly Gray. She does a great job of picking items that will go into any decor. I have several pieces sitting around that she sent amongst all the decor stuff I have sitting about. Now, Habitation box, they have two different sizes. You can get a smaller box, Habitation 1, or you can get a larger box, which is Habitation 2. In Habitation 1, you get 4 to 6 high-quality home decor items for $69.99 a month. Now, if you commit to more months, you can get it for as low as $65 a month. So this will be my last box for a while. I'm really bummed about it because I love this box. You can get it every month or you can get it quarterly. I've been getting it quarterly in the smaller box, but you can get a bigger box, which is what I used to do. And it's the Habitation 2. It comes with 7 to 9 high quality items for $120 a month. If you commit to the 12 months, you can get it for as low as $105 a month. That one you can also get monthly or you can get it quarterly. So it's really customizable as to what you want to do. If you would like to try the subscription for yourself, I do have a link below. If you use that link, it will give you $10 of credit to go towards your boxes, which I think that's nice. Also, another fun thing she does is she will give you a home interior advice. I could like take this picture here and say, you know, send it to her, say, hey Kelly, what can I do to make this more appealing? And she will give you home interior advice, which is really nice and makes it worth the price. You can't get that if you go somewhere and just pick up the pieces. This girl here needs all the help she can get. Anyway, let's just open the box and see. Now, I did go ahead and slit the box open at the top because what she does, instead of putting paperwork in here, she does a QR code. And that tells you what is in the box. So I went through, I scanned it with my phone so that I'd have pictures to tell me about the box. So this month's box, the theme for the November box is the November box focuses on having the perfect piece for entertaining this holiday season. Oh, so it's going to be entertaining stuff. She gives you a color palette, a list of everything that's going to be in there, and pro tips to go with each item on how you could dress it up. So I haven't looked at it super close because I want it to be a surprise to me as well as to y'all. I will put the screenshots over here in a split screen so you can see what what it says and the pictures she puts up there, because she does design it a few different ways and put pictures. She has a Facebook group where you could go on there and see how everybody else is designing their stuff. Real fun, real neat. Alright, so paper for the kitties to play in. More paper for the kitties to play in. And here we go. So this is the first thing I'm seeing. Happy Harvest. You know I love it. Love the gingham. You know I love the harvest stuff because it's everywhere. You're probably over inundated with the stuff. But this is the Hearthside collection at the www.thehearthsidecollection.com. There's a phone number back here. It says for decoration use only. Really, what else are we going to use it for? But I think it is beautiful. It is on like plywood board, but it is nice. I do like it. It's very cute. Set it back there. Let me just what's in that box. Something wrapped up here. And we got a towel. Oh, this is a nice towel. Very cute. See, this would go in any kitchen. Very nice hand towel. It's even got the hangy thing. So you could hang it. Oh my goodness, I just heard Bonnie get up on there, on the thing. This is 100% cotton, machine wash cold, gentle cycle, tumble dry low. Okay, warm iron if needed. Who's gonna iron their hand towels? I guess if you were trying to decorate them up, maybe, I don't know. It says, pair the cotton hand towel with the mango wood serving bowls and create a spread that impresses your guests. The bowl can be used on a tray or set them to the side and use the tray for crackers or other holiday snacks. Alright, so we apparently have some serving bowls in here. Let's see. And it's big for a hand towel. I do like that. Cute. I don't think that's the serving bowls. Let's see if it's in here. Yes, 3 bowls and 3 spoons. Mango wood trays. All right. Oh, it's pretty. Look at that. I love wood decor, and she does like to send wood decor. This is from Bloomingville. Hand washed only. Of course, it's wood. But that is very pretty. Now let's get this part out. These must be the spoons. I must be careful. I'm bad about breaking these tiny little spoons. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. They're adorable little wooden spoons. This would be cute for serving like different kinds of dips or different kinds of sauce, and you can definitely tell how different they are. Look at the different shades, different colors, things like that with the wood grain, the real wood. Oh, they're pretty. Look at that. Lovely. So cute. Look at that. This is nice. This is a nice little set. How adorable. Isn't that too cute? Now, I don't serve too much, but that would be adorable. And yeah, onion dip in there, and a cheese dip, and a salsa or something. Who knows? I mean, like I said, I don't serve too much. Let's move on. All right, this is the last thing in here. So we get a lot of wood, and we do get a lot of like metal vase type things. This one's interesting. It's definitely got that old world used type look to it, which I don't mind. I actually think they're kind of cute. Of course, this is for decoration purposes only. Do not use with food. This is Creative Co-op ink. It's from Memphis, Tennessee, but it's made in India. That's weird. So this is a 5.5 inches high, 4 inches round metal vase, old brass finish. Old brass finish. Very pretty. What does it say? It says, the decorative metal vase is the perfect piece to have out all the holiday season. The warm bronze colors are perfect for the transition from fall to winter. Add a sprig of a little flower or a piece of greenery to create a cozy vignette. Yeah. So if I had gotten the bigger box, I would have also got a glass Cloche, C-L-O-C-H-E. Yeah, with this beautiful wood base. Let me see. So with this box, I got the mango wood tray with the 3 bowls and 3 spoons. And I got the decorative metal vase. I got the Happy Harvest pumpkin cutout. I got the cotton hand towel. And then I also, if I had gotten the elite one, I would have got the a nesting basket set and the Cloche, yeah, I don't know, with mango wood base. So there would have been another mango wood piece in here. And it was real pretty. I'll show you over here. Real pretty base to it. So like $65 I think is what I paid for this. I know stuff is expensive, and this special wood probably is where the price came up so much, but I don't know that it's really worth the 65 or 69, however much you would have to spend, and then 105 or 100 and what did I say? To 120 if you added a couple of baskets in that, you know, like cake glass top with a mango wood bowl. I don't know. I'm having a hard time justifying it, even though I love this box. This is why I'm putting it on pause, because I have had a few people say you could go to TJ Maxx and get the same thing for less money. Me and my buddy have that on our list of things to do. We're going to start going to TJ Maxx and getting Decor instead of me doing this. And then we'll do TJ Maxx hauls and see how I do, you know, as compared to how a interior decorator does, because I am no interior decorator. So I want to hear what y'all think about that below, about the pieces, all that good stuff. You know, I want to hear it, and I'd really appreciate it if you'd press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share with your friends, spread the word, press that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you'd like to donate to the creator, which is me, there are 2 ways to do that. You can press that super thanks button and give me a tip through YouTube, or you can buy me a coffee. There is a link below for that. It's like giving a tip as well. Thank you so very much. Y'all, I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.